Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today, I will show you how to change iCloud email address. Let's go. When you create an Apple ID, you enter an email address. This email address is your Apple ID and the username that you can use to sign in to Apple services like Apple Music and iCloud. It's also the contact email address for your account. This is known as iCloud email address or Apple ID. It's important to note that changing your iCloud email address will also change the Apple ID associated with it. So make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. First of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on your name at the very top. After that, tap Sign In and Security. Now you'll see the email and numbers associated with your Apple ID. Just tap Edit, and then tap on the minus button next to your current email address. Tap Delete to delete the current email address associated with your Apple ID. You must first choose another email, so go ahead and tap where it says Choose another email. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone. All you have to do next is enter the new email address that you want to associate with your Apple ID and iCloud. Tap Continue. Now it will send that email address a verification code. You have to type that verification code. Once you've done that, it will change your iCloud email address. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.